What's that? What's that?
You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god.
Ashalalabosha.
You like getting baths? No. Why not?
Is the cactus your best friend?
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
No. You're evil. Evil. Oh! Gary!
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Oh, your name is Kitty?
Unbelievable. No. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
That's sick. Oh, that is gone.
You gonna try to put it on?
Gonna put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna.
Nah! Nah!
Oh my god.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing ever change. No one enjoys life quite like a golden retriever. I think it's more than curiosity. They genuinely seem interested in understanding how humans do things. This is basically bees having a giant moving discussion about where to live next. We all act a little different around mirrors.
Smokey and the Bandit.
Oh, there's a rock there,
It's Burt Reynolds.
There's Burt Reynolds.
Yeah. Oh my god, you're gonna roll the whole way down? He's like, yep.
This is Toby, and he seems to think 2 legs are enough.
Oh no. God. What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
Parker, look what she's brought you.
At least they rang the doorbell instead of just walking in.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the game is supposed to work the other way around.
Yeah. Can you stop eavesdropping on us?
Looks like we had a bit of beef jerky. Tasty. Looks like we looked through some mail. Looks like over here we plated with some toilet paper. Oh, and what's that? Oh, more. Looks like we played with a lot of toilet paper. Now I wonder who could have done that?
Será aquela vaca mãe, assim? É assim que lava a panela? É, meu amor.
Just wait. I'll be quick.
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want a hug?
Oh my god. My heart just exploded.
Put it, hey, no! Winston. Winston? Winston! Ava, it's on the car. Winston, hey.
What? Well, yo, there's a squirrel inside the house. Ah!
Jet! Let him out!
That's a tight fit, but he's going for it anyway.
What day is it, buddy?
For this dog, heyday is basically a holiday.
It's heyday, that's right.
Why is it completely black? Like. Okay.
Retrievers really do love showing off their finds.
Hank, that's someone's dog.
He became proud of himself.
First.
The youngest one does the groom. That's a female with a red rear end. That's called two.
At this point, orangutans are basically just very hairy people.
Can I have a kiss, please? Hey, can I have a kiss?
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Come here.
At this point, she doesn't even need humans anymore.
Hi.
Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Let's go.
Leave them alone for 1 hour, and this happens.
What have you done?
Steven, what are you doing?
He's on my face!
Did you do that?
At that point, he was basically admitting everything.
Why did you chew up my shoe? Why would you do that?
But I can't do anything. Dad, I want to eat it.
If weaponized incompetence were a dog,
Ready? Yeah. Make it happen.
trust doesn't come easy for some dogs.
Like you. She don't like you.
Some friendships really no one celebrates your arrival quite like dogs do.
Oh, watch your lips.
That dog is mentally sharing every single fry.
What is that from?
That's right!
That's from around the windshield.
Every dog has that one weird habit.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, you're beautiful. Did you see? Where's that squirrel? Look, 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 look. Where's the squirrel? Look, 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 look.
Cats always think they're being sneakier than they actually are.
Não, não é pra você. Esse é meu.
Some cats really know how to make a situation feel uncomfortable.
Atacarlo, Puri, atacarlo.
You're trying, aren't you, buddy?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Ryan,
Oh, no, 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 no.
Foi dois já.
Good boy.
Today, you just found it.
Where are you going?
Somebody didn't get his banana this morning. Look at, yo, he's staring us in the, yo, he's staring at me. Oh my gosh.
So cute.
It looks like a human eye.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall!
Mimi. Mimi. Mimi, don't bite stuff. No. No, 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 no.
Oh. He just did a little smile. If you're hungry, say yeah.
Oh, there's no top.
Симба, принеси туалетную бумагу.
What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare eat those toes.
Oh! Vente! Espejo! Espejo!
Can you hold on?